Welcome back to Dad Deals for the top things you should be buying at Harbor Freight in October 2025. Of course, we have that parking lot sale that is going on right now for Inside Track Club members and is going to start tomorrow for everybody else. I did a whole video breaking down the entire ad, so go check that out if you haven't already. But I'll hit you right now with some of the biggest deals during this sale. Of course, the 4 marquee deals of that parking lot sale is going to be 20% off all of the US General carts and cabinets. Now that can be a good deal if you're after some of the larger cabinets, but as I said in my video, I don't think it's a great time to pick up the 5-drawer or the 4-drawer mechanics cart. You're going to probably be able to get those for a lower price as we approach Black Friday and the other upcoming sales. But some of the larger cabinets where that 20% off is going to be a larger discount will be pretty good deals during this sale. The next one, I think the biggest one, is 25% off all of the Bauer corded power tools. Now there was some questions on whether that was going to include things like the drill press and some of the larger tools that are Bauer and technically corded, but we now have the clickable ad. And while I do see things like the drywall sander and the miter saw, you can see here I'm scrolling through, I do not see things like the drill press or the dust collector or any of those larger Bauer technically corded power tools. You also have 35% off all of their pliers and screwdrivers. That includes all of their brands: Bremen, Doyle, Icon, Pittsburgh, and Quinn. So any of the pliers or screwdrivers are all going to be 35% off. That's a great deal. And then last up, 50% off all of their Thunderbolt batteries. That's the top of the line batteries. Should be comparable to your Energizers, your Duracells. They are really top level batteries, and 50% off. That's a great discount. But definitely go check out that full video, like I said, if you want to see the full ad breakdown. And I will also, of course, include a link to the ad, this clickable ad, in the description below. But that sale runs through Sunday, October 12th. One other deal that's going on this weekend is it has been leaked that it is going to be a free bucket weekend as well. And that should be a free bucket with any purchase for ITC members, and then a free bucket with any $30 or more purchase for everybody else. So get your free buckets this weekend along with that parking lot sale. All right, with that out of the way, Harbor Freight just dropped a bunch of new coupons. So let's check those out and dive right into them. So there's a lot of stuff going on right now, and let's get right into it. First up, we have this Hallmaster 300-pound capacity truck bed tailgate ladder. And this is on sale for $30. This can make it much easier to get into the tailgate of your truck if you don't have one of those step ladders built into the tailgate. But it's quick to attach, can be attached to either side, and is a great thing to keep in your truck. Just can make things a lot easier to load and unload it. Next up, we have the Merlin Premium Retractable Air Hose Reel. This is a 50-foot version. It is on sale for $80. These retractable air hose reels are super convenient to have, and if you find yourself using one a lot, definitely get this premium version. Next up, we have the Pittsburgh 2.5-ton low-profile aluminum racing floor jack. This is on sale for $190. Now, do keep in mind during that parking lot sale, the 2-ton version of this exact same jack is going to be $130. So if you don't need that half-ton extra capacity, definitely get that one at the parking lot sale. But if you do need it, use this coupon and get this one for $190. Here's another jack that has a similar version for a deeper discount during that parking lot sale. This is your Pittsburgh 3-ton floor jack at $110, but the Pittsburgh 3-ton low profile floor jack is going to be just $100. So depending on which one you want there, I think I would rather go with that low profile for $100, but if you don't want that, you can get this one at $110, but both of them are on sale right now. And then one more jack to talk about. This is the Daytona 1.5-ton ultra low profile lightweight aluminum racing jack at $270. Next up, we have the Hallmaster Cargo Carrier. This is super convenient to have. Can just free up a lot of space in your van, truck, SUV, whatever you have. Just make sure it has a hitch. And this thing is $45 right now, which is a great price. As we approach that colder weather, it's always important to be prepared in case your car battery dies. And here's the Viking 1000 peak amp hour jump starter, and it can be used as a power bank as well, like most of them can. This is 20% off at just $80. Trust me, if you just use this thing one time, you will be thanking yourself for spending that $80 instead of waiting for AAA or a tow truck, or even worse, being out in the middle of nowhere. And then if you want to go more the traditional route, just keep in mind you do need to have another vehicle to use these. But these are your heavy duty jumper cables, a 20-foot version, which is a really nice length, so you don't have to get too close to the other vehicle. And this is 10% off at $25. And then here's also a trickle charger. It has a microprocessor in it, so it's automatically controlled. And this one's on sale for just $19. Next up, we have the RoadShock LED light bar. This is a 22-inch version at $63. One other deal going on with this is that if you buy one of their 12,000 or 9,500 pound winches, you can actually get this light bar for free. So definitely check that out. That's an in-store deal. But if you just want the light bar, you can get it for 16% off at $63. Next up, we have those Predator power stations. This is their smaller 350 watt version. You're getting 2 AC outlets, 2 USB-A ports, and 1 USB-C port with this. This can be paired up nicely with their foldable solar panel, and this is $260. Check out this deal. This is half off, 50% off. This is the Drummond 1/3 horsepower submersible utility pump, and that brings the price to $50. Always take care of your knees, and these are the premium gel knee pads from Ranger at just $12 for a pair. They have the Jupiter 2000 watt continuous or 4000 watt peak pure sine wave power inverter. You got the 2 AC ports, and this is $250. Next up, we have the Pittsburgh 1/2-inch drive impact socket extension set, a 4-piece set for $8. Some cheap wire strippers here. I'm a huge fan of the automatic wire strippers that they sell. I think that is totally worth the couple bucks extra. But if you still like the traditional pair, this is your Pittsburgh 7-inch wire strippers at $4. Always great to have, always a great buy at Harbor Freight. This is the 1-pound rubber mallet at just $2. That's 50% off. You also have the 3/8-inch drive composite quick release ratchet from Pittsburgh at $7. And then here's the Icon ball peen dead blow hammer, 16 ounce for $30. A super glue 3-pack. This is the gel version, and it's just 99 cents. That's cheaper than the Dollar Tree. So always great to have on hand. You have some zip ties on sale. These are your stainless steel cable ties, a 25-pack 12-inch version at $4. You also have your extra long 24-inch. These are also UV resistant, so if they're going to be out in the sun, these won't brittle and break on you. And this is a 10-pack for $1.50. It's about time of year to start thinking about Christmas lights. So it's always a great time to make sure you're stocked up on extension cords and get them when they're on sale. Here's the Vanguard 25-foot 12-gauge triple tap extension cord, and it's 24% off at $19. You also have your 50-foot. This is sort of your medium duty, perfect for Christmas decorations, indoor outdoor green cord, so it should blend in with your grass at $15. If you have any pressure washing to do and you have any high up areas, check out this 17-inch pressure washer extension wands. You get a curved and a straight one at just $10. And if you have some serious pressure washing to do, check out this one. This is the Predator 4400 PSI, 4.2 gallons per minute, commercial duty pressure washer, nice pneumatic wheels on it. And this is $100 off right now at $800. They also have this nice garden wagon, nice tires on this one as well at $55. Your flow through car wash brush is going to be $17. Here's a set of screw extractors, which are always great to have on hand. You're getting the different sizes here that you're going to drill into that broken bolt. And then you get the left-handed drill bits that should be able to take that bolt out. So everything you need here at a nice set. Trust me, these are great to have on hand. And this is $12. Here's a kind of new item. This is the Bauer benchtop router table. Now, I'm not a huge fan of these plastic router tables, but they are convenient to have and they're very portable. And this is already $10 off at $130. Next up from Hercules, we have their variable speed rotary hammer. This is $100 off at $350. You have your 800-pound capacity Franklin hand truck designed for hauling appliances. It even has stair climbers designed to help go upstairs with it, and this is $100. If you have a pegboard, here's a pegboard hook assortment set. A really nice price here, $6 for a 50-piece set. Comes with a bunch of different hooks. If you have one of those US General 4-drawer tech carts, here's the folding side tray you can get for it. It's on sale for just $15. Comes in the matching color of your choice. They also have the magnetic spray can and screwdriver holder for just $10. And the magnetic power strip has 2 USB-A ports. They still haven't updated this with USB-C, which is disappointing, but you can get this in any of the matching colors at $28. Next up, we have the Apache 5800 weatherproof rolling carry-on case. This is on sale for $77. That's 23% off the normal price. And then just your Bauer 16-inch tool bag, 6 pockets on it for just $10. Here's a nice price on the Bauer disc sander. This is $30 off at $170. You got just the Quinn putty knife here. Always great to have this at $2. Some safety glasses for $1. Here's a no-brainer. Just make sure they're everywhere so you can always grab a pair when you need them. These 6-inch squeeze clamps can also be reversed and used as a spreader, are just $3 right now. And then this Pittsburgh siphon pump, could use this to clean out a fish tank or siphon any other liquid that you have. I do prefer this battery operated version, but this is the manual one and it's just $3. Some Hardy gardening gloves. This is a 3-pair set at $3, so just $1 a pair. An 18 compartment small storage container is just $2. some utility blades in a nice dispenser pack that you can attach to a pegboard wall or really any wall. It's a 50 pack of blades for just $4. Speaking of blades, here's the Warrior flush cutting oscillating multi-tool blade at just $4. And you also have the multimeter at just $5. I really like this precision screwdriver set. I love how it comes with everything in a nice clear top case. And I love that extension that's flexible so you can get in any tight spaces. But this is just $6. They also have the Hallmaster trailer ball mount lock. Comes with 2 keys at $9. Here's your Pittsburgh Pro Universal Impact joint set, a 2-piece set here at $6. A really nice price on just a swivel TV mount up to a 42-inch TV. That's just $7. And then last up here is the Pistol Grip tire inflator. Has a dial gauge on it at $8. So that's it. Those are all the deals for this first half of October. We should be seeing that Black Friday ad leak soon. So make sure you're subscribed. Be on the lookout for that. And as always, like the video if you find it helpful. Again, subscribe to my channel. Really trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of this year. I'm at about 90,000. So this is going to be the final push here during the holiday season. So thank you to everybody that subscribes. And I will catch you guys next time on Dad Deals.